lovely. Look at that. Wow. They have fruits as well in there. Apples and such. Anyone having a birthday, the cake them look really, really nice. Them have the Alberta rice in brown parboiled rice. Yup. So what? Want some butter as well? I think. Let's see which one of them here we could choose. This at the 154. Yes, guys, snacks. You have Lay's. My daughter only eat the one that was a cheesy. She like the one that says cheesy. Yeah. Have what? Yes, guys, we're out trying to get some stuff for the house as usual. Have the different snacks. Yeah. And like things from Jamaica Boilers group of companies. You guys are doing so awesome. The burgers and all those things. The ham was great. Yeah. And the chicken them as well. The chicken them sell off. Them nice. Yeah. So you have like a white burger of stuff. You have Grace Franks. You have Frankfurters. You have all different types of stuff for them. Yeah. So guys, we're at it again. It's a new year. We give God thanks for life, and we're here doing what we do best. Showing you the stuff in the supermarket. Yeah. We're gonna go somewhere else sometime in the future, but you know you have to start out from somewhere. Buster juice. These colors dazzle your eyes.